Hello guys, Mehul back again with another new video, and now this video is quite different because when I saw it first time, I also didn't believe that this is literally free. Like you can host your app, backend apps only. Okay, you can host your apps and call APIs from that. You can have a database with unlimited rows, unlimited columns, blah blah blah, not one, maybe multiple, and you can have storage up to 10 GB. So they are providing all those three for free. Seriously, like literally free. I'm so excited that I'm fumbling. So let's get started. Like, let's see what the platform is. Okay. So here we have our today's platform, that is Data Cloud. Okay. Now here are the three products. First is Micro. This is for microservices and it will host Python or Node.js apps. Here you can see for Python they are supporting fast API, and for Node.js they will support Express, fast API, all of those. Okay. Deploy in seconds, unlimited apps and API call, highly scalable, built-in API or API key auth and cron. Okay. Then we have base, database. Now in database, they will this is not kind of like your ordinary database, like this is not Postgres, MySQL or something like that. This is developed by them. This is developed by Data Cloud, in-house built by Data Cloud. So here you can see, they are saying that database is a super easy to use production grade no SQL database that comes with unlimited storage. Okay. uh, and it has like easy to use API, super fast, highly scalable, unlimited database, and graphic UI. Now one thing I have to make sure that it is a non SQL database. That's okay, but here in database, yeah, this is kind of their language, right? Database SDK, base UI. Yeah, this is kind of their language, their own database. Yeah, database is fully managed for a scalable no SQL database. So this is a kind of their thing. Okay. And last, there is Drive, that is 10 GB free space for everyone. Easy to use API, like you can store anything from here, like anything here. So basically Amazon S3. So they are providing those three things, or those three services for free. And now you may ask how. Like in this world, nothing is free. Nothing is literally free. Everything is for some purpose. Okay. So that they have explained here, that here you can see that why Data Cloud is free. Like we want anyone at any edge from anywhere in the world to experience and build their ideas without worrying about limits of credit cards. First thing. And second thing is how they are getting paid, because that's the most important thing to know. Because uh, if they are not selling our data, that's the important thing we should know about, like if there are any chance. So basically they have a bigger project parallelly, like going on. Okay. And they basically earn from that. And here they have also said this project will be responsible for generating revenue. Stay tuned. So they have big, this is big, like Data Cloud, they have data space, that is they are paid, that is basically their paid platform. And data space is basically that one cloud, not cloud computing, one the website or web app I have featured before, that will help you to run any app in the web. You don't have to literally download the app in your computer and all. You just can create a space of your own and run it on the cloud. So basically they are doing the same thing here. So your personal space, personal computer in the cloud, private, secured, and always online. so you can do things from there. Okay, so basically that's the thing that they are providing as a paid service. And I got to know about this from their Discord server actually. Okay, so yeah, that's it. That's about it. That's about data platform or data cloud, whatever you want to say. Like, really, I know it's right to share this or not, but I think many of us will be help, like, get a lot of help from this. And I will be using it because I just started learning, like, backends a little bit, a really little bit, teeny tiny bit. So I would like to learn it and use it, because why not? Oh, right. So basically that's it for this video. And stay tuned. If you like my video in general, please do subscribe to this channel. And if you know some of the great platforms like this, like, this is heck of a great platform. Okay, if you know something like this, please let me know about all of them in the comment section below, so I can feature them in my future videos as well. So bye for now.